Okay, hello. So today I am talking about background remover. Now, the background remover is a pro feature, but it's probably one of the best features that Canva has. Okay, so I want to give you a couple ideas, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so first I created this in AI, not Canva AI, but Midjourney, and it's a very cluttered, very busy in the background, right? But I love this image. So this is what I would do with this image. I would go background remover, and there we go. And then I could use this on um, like my course info. I can use it in social media. It just is a real clean image. So I love this. Okay, so there's one way. And then the next one is, how about we have products and we have like a yucky background, okay? But we want to use the product, but we don't know what to do with it. Um, let's see here. I'm going to do BG remover again. And I am and it takes it off. But then what I can do is I can put another background in here. So if I wanted to put in, let's see here, elements. Um, oh, let's see here. Let's just go. I'm just gonna put background. See if anything would catch my eye. Now we can do photos too. So you could do this. Put this. Set this as the background, and then you can put text up here. Let's see here, I could might want to do a shadow on this, like a drop. Yeah, that would look really good. Okay, and then you would put info up here. That's a good way to do it. Let's see here. Same here. It's what you want to do. This is a cool one. Then you would put, yeah, I don't know. But anyways, so that for your products, if you take pictures of your products and the background is then just take them out. All right, next one. Okay, so here's one that I use on YouTube. So I'm pointing up, I don't want the background, and so I take this out, and there we go. Now I'm going to show you what I've done with this. And see, there we go. That is how to use it in another design. Okay, so background remover is amazing. Please utilize it. It is a pro feature again, but it's amazing, and it is part of the Magic Studio. And this is where you would find it, Magic Studio. If you don't see it up here, you just have to click on the two arrows that was over here, right here. But then it's always right here in the floating menu right above the design. Okay. All right. So those are ways to use it. All right. On to the next Magic Studio. We're going to talk about Magic Eraser next. Okay.